Hello and welcome to the day ahead. It is Wednesday, August the 17th. I'm Andrew Gagan. Well, to global equity markets, which were mostly higher overnight, on Wall Street, the S&P 500 rallied for a third day, helped by better than expected results from retail giants Walmart and Home Depot. Consumer staples led 6 of the 11 S&P sectors higher, up 1.2%, while real estate was the worst performer, down 0.4%. The Dow was solidly high and the Nasdaq was down, rising longer-dated bond yields weighing on high-growth stocks. Well, to those earnings results, and Walmart shares jumped close to 5.5% after forecasting a smaller drop in full-year profit than previously projected, expecting fiscal 23 adjusted earnings per share to fall between 9 and 11%. And shares of rivals Target at Costco and Best Buy also climbed on that news. Home Depot shares rose around 3%, in fact, closing just up over 4% after beating estimates, reporting sales growth of 5.8% in the second quarter, although that was below the average of 14% in the corresponding periods of the past 2 years. Well, US manufacturing output in July rebounded 0.7% for the month, much higher than forecast. Much of that lift was production in car manufacturing, surging 6.6% last month. Meanwhile, US housing starts plunged 9.6% in July, falling to the lowest level in almost 1.5 years as mortgage rates rise, along with the price of construction material. US Treasury yields climbed as solid results from US retailers suggest the Fed is likely to stay the course on its tightening cycle. The 10-year yield up to 2.81% and the 2-year is at 3.27%. Major currencies, they were mixed against the US dollar. The Aussie falling back to 70.4 US cents. Well, the local share market is set for modest gains at the open. The ASX futures currently up close to 0.2%. Oil prices continue to tumble as weak economic data heightens concerns about a potential global recession. Well, the market is also awaiting confirmation of talks to revive a deal that could allow more Iranian oil exports. Brent crude down 3% to $92 a barrel, which is a 6-month low. Iron ore futures are relatively flat despite electricity restrictions in China that have cut steel production there. Base metal prices are mixed and the gold futures price has fallen 0.5% on that US dollar strength. And Bitcoin, that's fallen back below 24,000 US dollars. Looking at the day ahead, and corporate travel results have dropped. We are underlying profit there of 17.5 million versus a negative 32.3 million the previous corresponding period. Revenue up 94% to more than $388 million. A final dividend of 5 cents a share. And it's saying it's confident of improving travel demand in the financial year ahead. And Fletcher Building declaring a final dividend of 22 cents a share after posting a net profit after tax of 432 million, up from 305 million New Zealand dollars, telling the market it's expecting further growth in the financial year ahead. And that is your day ahead. We'll see you again tomorrow.